children. We are discussing about subtractions now. So today also the continuation for subtractions in workbook children. Now open your workbook, page number 28 children. Today we are going to do page number 28 and 29 in workbook. Open your workbook, take your pencil and eraser children. Now open your book children, page number 28. Write the numbers in expanded form and subtract. One is done for you. Look here, 7542 minus 3240. First write the numbers in expanded form and then subtract. So 7000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 2 minus 3000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 0. Now subtract children. 2 minus 0, 2. 40 minus 40, 0. 500 minus 200, 5 minus 2, 3, 300. 7000 minus 3000 means 7 minus 3, 4. So write the short form. 4302 is the answer. Like this you will do the remaining children. Look here. 6973 minus 3461. So first write the expanded form for these numbers. What is the first one? 6973. So 6000 plus next 900 plus 70 plus 3. Next minus 3000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 1. So subtract from the ones place. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 how much? 2. 70 minus 60 means first 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 how much? 1. 1 means here 10. 70 minus 60, 10. Next 900 minus 400. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 how much? 5. 5 means 500. Plus 6000 minus 3000. 6000 minus 3000. How much? 3. 3 means 3000. Write the short form for this. 3512. So 3512 is the answer. Come to the next one. 5237 minus 4025. Write the expanded form for the first number. 5000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 7. Next number 4000 plus 0 in hundreds place plus 20 plus 5. Now do 7 minus 5. Take 7 fingers, 5 cut off. How many are remaining? 2. Next 30 minus 20. 30 minus 20. How much? 10. 200 minus 0 means 200. 5000 minus 4000. 5000 minus 4000. 1000. 1212. 1212 is the answer. Okay, come to the next row. 1509 minus 1234. Write the expanded form. 1000 plus 500 plus 0 plus 9 minus 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 4. So 9 minus 4. Take 9 fingers, 4 cut off. How many are remaining? 5. 0 minus 30. Is it possible? No. Get borrow. Now here this 500 becomes 400. We are borrowing 100. So this 100 comes to tens place. It will become 10 tens. 10 tens. 10 tens means 100 na. So it will comes to tens place. The 100 becomes 10 tens. Now 10 tens means 100. Now 100 minus 30. 100 minus 30. How much? That means 10 minus 3. How much? 7. 70. Okay. Here this 10 tens becomes 100. Now here the value is not 0. We borrowed 100 means 10 tens means hundreds. So 10 tens minus 3 tens. How much remaining? 7 tens. 70. Next 400 minus 200. 4 minus 2. How much? 200. 1000 minus 1000. 0. What is the short form for this? 275 is the answer. Next one. 3498 minus 1369. Expanded form for the first number. 3000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 8 minus 1000 plus 300 plus 60 plus 9. Now look here. 8 minus 9. Is it possible? No. Get borrow. This 9 tens becomes 8 tens. Means 80. Now here 110 comes to ones place and here is also 8. 110 means 10 ones. 10 ones plus 8 ones. How much? 18 ones. So this 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9. In their 18 there are 2 nines. 2 nines are 18. So 18 minus 9 how much? 9. Otherwise count after 9 after up to 18 children. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 minus 9 how much? 9. Next 80 minus 60 means 8 minus 6. How much? 20. Next 400 minus 300. The remaining 100. 3000 minus 1000. 2000. What is the short form? 2129. Like this you will do the last one children. This is homework for you. Next look, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. 1000 more than 6752 is. What is that number? That number is 1000 more than this number. So here how much is adding? 1000 means the 1000 place is increases to 1. So 6752 plus 1000. What is the answer? 2, 5, 7. 6 plus 1 how much? 7. 7752. Where is that? In C, option C. So write C. Next, 100 less than 2754. 2754 less than means minus. Subtract 100. So 4 minus 0, 4. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 how much? 6. Now the thousands place is 2. 2654. Where is the number? In which option? Option D. Next one, 500 more than 3705 is. So 3705 plus more means you have to add. You should add. 5 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 5. Take 5 fingers, count 7 after. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 is carry forward, 2 is in answer place. 3 plus 1, 4. So what is the answer? 4205. In which option? Option C. Next one. 1000 less than 7001. 7001 less than means minus 1000. So 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 1, 6. 6001. Where is the number? In option D. 2000 more than 5610. 5610 more than means you should add. How much? 2000. 2000. So 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 2. 5 after 6, 7. 7610. In which option? The option C. C. Now come to the next page, children. Solve the following word problems. Look, Soumya bought a dress for rupees 2590 after availing a discount of 1098. Soumya, she bought a dress. What is the cost for that? 2590. Which after availing a discount of 1098. After she have a discount 1098, then the dress cost is 2590. Now what was the actual cost of the dress? First, what is the before discount, what is the cost for that they are asking. So write, children, cost of a dress. Cost of a dress. How much? Rupees 2590. Next, discount. What is the discount? How much? Discount. Rupees 1098. If you add these two numbers, then you will get the actual cost of your dress. Actual cost of a dress. Add 0 plus 8, 8. 9 plus 9, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 2 nines how much? 18. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 3688. The actual cost of a dress is 3688. Then they given 1098 discount. Then she bought for 2590. Read the second sum, children. Leena saved 1650 rupees in January, out of which she spent 1080 in February. She again saved 1140 in March. How much money does Leena have now? First, in the month January, she saved 1650. In this amount, she spent in February 1080 rupees. Again, she saved 1140 in March. Now they are asking how much money does Leena have now. So, amount she saved in January. Amount is in rupees, na? So, amount rupees. She saved in January. How much? 1650. Next, amount she spent in February. She spent means she purchased something for this amount. Spent in February. How much? 1080 rupees. So first subtract these two children. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 8, not possible. Get borrow. 6 becomes 5. 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8. Count 8 after up to 15. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much? 7. 5 minus 0, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. No need to write 0. So 570. After she spent in February, she has 570 rupees with him. So she saved in February. Amount she saved in February. How much? 570. Next, she again saved 1140 in March. Amount she saved in March. How much? 1140. Now what they are asking? How much money does Leena have now? So she has amount she has now. Add these two numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 4. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. One is carry forward, one is in answer place. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Next thousands place. Here no thousands place, so write it down 1. 1710. The amount she has 1710 rupees she has now. Now come to the next sum, children. 1480 burgers was sold by a bakery chain on Monday. 2015 burgers were sold on Tuesday. How many more number of burgers were sold on Tuesday than Monday? How many more? Means you have to subtract the numbers. So 2015 minus 1480. Then you will get the answer. So number of burgers sold on Monday. Write the step. Number of burgers sold on Monday. How many? No, first write on Tuesday, children. So Tuesday, number of burgers on Tuesday is highest na. So first write on Tuesday. 2015. Next, number of burgers sold on Monday. On Monday, 1480. So how many more number of burgers were sold on Tuesday than Monday, they are asking. So you have to subtract these two numbers. Number of more burgers. Number of more burgers. So 5 minus 0, how much? 5. 1 minus 8, not possible. Get borrow. Next place have 0. So go to the next place and get borrow. This 2 becomes 1. 0 becomes 10. Now we are borrowing from 10. 10 becomes 9. 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 8. Count 8 after up to 11. 8 after 9, 10, 11. So 11 minus 8 how much? 3. 9 minus 4. Take 9 fingers. 4 cut off. How many are remaining? 5. 1 minus 1. 0. No need to write 0. 535 burgers. How many more burgers? 535 more burgers sold on Tuesday than Monday. So children, up to here we are completed workbook children. In the next video we will discuss the activity book.